Hello everyone, I'm Karanveer Kamra. Welcome to Law Academy. Today we will discuss what is a valid contract, what is a void contract, and what is a voidable contract. So let us start with the video. So let us first discuss what is a valid contract. So see, any agreement which is enforceable by law, any agreement which is enforceable by law is a valid contract. So any agreement which is lawful, which is legal, can be enforced in the courts of law. And any agreement which can be enforced in the courts of law is a valid contract. Let us discuss what is a void contract. So see, we have understood what is a valid contract. Any agreement which is enforceable by law is a valid contract. On the other hand, any agreement which is unenforceable, any agreement which is unenforceable or illegal is a void contract. So now, how do you tell this agreement is unenforceable? So for an example, agreement for murder, agreement for theft is illegal, is unlawful, and thus these kinds of agreements are void contracts. So remember, there is also a term which is known as void ab initio. So void contracts are void ab initio, which simply means that void from the beginning. So any agreement which is unlawful, any agreement which is illegal are void from the beginning. Let us understand what is a voidable contract. So voidable simply means void able. This means that this voidable contract was valid initially. This voidable contract was valid initially, but has become void later on at the option of one party due to misrepresentation, coercion, fraud, etc. So, for an example, A alleges that I entered into agreement with B only because B was pressuring me at that time. So the court will now say that, okay, we will nullify this agreement because you did not enter into the agreement with your own free will. Though that agreement was valid, though that agreement was legal, though that agreement was lawful, but you did not enter into the agreement with your own free consent or own free will. Thus, the court will nullify this agreement and this agreement will become void. So, the valid agreement becoming a void agreement is known as a voidable contract, which was valid initially, but later on it has become void at the option of one party. Now, let us briefly discuss what is a valid, void, and voidable contract. So, valid contract is an agreement which is enforceable by law. Any agreement which is unenforceable or is invalid due to its illegality or unlawfulness, that agreement is a void contract. Any agreement which was valid initially but later on it has become void at the option of one party, it is a voidable contract. So I hope you liked today's video and stay connected with me on Law Academy. Thank you.